Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to our balcony, and this is a rather bizarre video. It's about our homemade Baileys. So I specifically got these two glasses for Katie and I for our homemade Baileys, which basically, simply, is condensed milk, Irish whiskey, a little bit of heavy cream, a couple tablespoons of chocolate syrup, instant coffee granules, vanilla extract, and optional choice of almond extract. So what I do, these glasses are pretty cool. There's the ice. So a bottle of Baileys, a 700 milliliter bottle of Baileys out here costs 1,300 baht because of the import fees, which is about 39, $35, something like that. And we can make our own, but look at these glasses that we found. So that's how you do a quick chill on warm Baileys. Nice, huh? So sorry about the lack of CT videos recently. I've been busy doing stuff, and tomorrow we're off to Goa, India for a couple weeks. Vintage Garage, I'll get back to you. I'm sorry I've neglected a response about the King's Cup soccer and everything, and I hope you're doing well. And all your bikes look phenomenal. Take care. Bye.